Happy Friday, traders! This is your last VPTrade daily financial news for the week. Let's dive into the markets, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed. And in market news, Wall Street pulled back as investors weighed key economic indicators ahead of next week's Federal Reserve meeting. The Dow fell 234 points, the S&P 500 lost 32, and the Nasdaq retreated after touching an all-time high on Wednesday. Tech stocks were mixed. Nvidia slid 1.4%, while Microsoft eked out a 0.1% gain. Meanwhile, Adobe plunged nearly 14%, dragging the broader tech sector down. Analysts point to profit-taking and caution around rate cuts as the driving forces behind today's dip. And in Forex news, the dollar climbed to a 2.5-week high against major currencies, up over 1% for the week. Speculation is growing that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next week, but adopt a cautious approach moving forward. The yen saw the most movement, dropping 1.8% against the dollar this week, its worst performance since September. Meanwhile, the euro slipped below $1.046, and the Swiss franc tumbled after a surprise half-point rate cut by the Swiss National Bank. In Asia, markets struggled under the weight of a strong dollar. Japan's Nikkei fell 1% but managed a weekly gain of nearly 1%. Chinese stocks also dropped after the Central Economic Work Conference failed to deliver fresh stimulus details, keeping property firms under pressure. Gold prices edged higher, gaining 2% for the week as traders anticipate a 25 basis point rate cut by the federal. Spot gold is holding at $2,688 per ounce, with a boost in Chinese purchases supporting the rally. Other metals like silver and platinum are also up for the week, thriving in a low-interest rate environment. Wrapping up with commodities, oil prices are set for their first weekly gain in December. Brent crude is up 3% this week, buoyed by tighter sanctions on Russia and Iran. WTI holds steady at $70 per barrel as Chinese demand shows signs of recovery. Meanwhile, the International Energy Agency forecasts a modest surplus for 2025, but refiners are taking advantage of low prices to stockpile. And that's a wrap for this week. If you enjoyed today's update, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday.